Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to prove that 2 equal 1. So first of all, let's denote A equal B, and then I multiply A by both sides. So A square equal A times B. And then I subtract both sides by B square. A square minus B square equal A square A times B minus B square. So after that, I do the fraction. So this one, A square minus B square is equal to A minus B times A plus B. And this side is I factor B and I get A minus B. I divide both sides by A minus B, okay? And I get A plus B equal B. Well, we made the statement earlier that A equal B. So B plus B equal B. So 2B equal B. Divide both sides by B. 2 equal 1. So if you have any suggestion about this math fallacy, please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit like button and also subscribe. Thank you so much.